Who wants to be X? Who wants to be O?
I want to be X. I want to be O.
Okay. Whoever gets the higher number starts the game, okay? Roll the dice now. Roll the dice now.
4.
4. Good. Now, Mark, it's your turn.
4.
Oh, it's a tie. One more time. Octave, roll the dice one more time.
4.
4 again?
Yes.
Okay, Mark.
1.
Oh, it's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. So, Octave, please start the game. What do you say? Octave.
I don't like
Watermelon.
watermelon.
Oh, is that right? Okay. Mark, it's your turn.
I like a pizza.
Ah, I like pizza. Oh, that's great. Okay.
I like apple.
I like apples.
I like apples.
Good. It's your turn.
Mark. Okay.
Mark your space. Make a no.
I like
Queenie. Bread.
bread.
I
like bread.
bread. Good job, Mark. Octave, it's your turn again. I don't like broccoli.
I don't like broccoli.
You made a square. Okay, let's say the structure.
I like pack.
That's cookie.
Cookies.
I like cookies.
I like cookies.
Nice, Mark. Octave.
I like cheese.
I like chips.
Chips.
So you are the winner of the game. Thank you. Thank you for playing. Good job, Octave. Good job, Mark. Let's listen to the song. Please listen.
Ooh.
I like beans. I like beans. I like meat. I like meat. I don't like carrots. I don't like carrots. I like beans. But I try everything.
I like beans. I like beans. I like rice.
I like rice.
I don't like potatoes.
I don't like potatoes.
I like beans. But I try everything.
I heard a sentence here. It said, I try everything. What does it mean? Octave and Mark. Ce înseamnă I try everything?
Îmi place tot.
Încerc. Do you try everything?
I try
Almost. Aproape.
Everything.
Very good. What about you, Mark? Do you try new food? Încerci mâncăruri noi? Do you try new food? Mark?
Yes. I like cream soup too.
I like cream soup. Me too. I love cream soup. Let's see if you remember the words boys. Okay? Let me see.
Listening 61. Listen and number. 1,
I like beans. I like rice. I don't like potatoes.
Aha! Now please
2,
repeat.
I like potatoes.
Wait. So look at the second picture, Octave, and say what you heard. This is number 1.
I like beans.
Beans.
I like
Rice.
rice. I don't like potatoes.
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 I like rice. I don't like potatoes. Very good. Now you listen. Mark, you listen.
2,
2.
I like potatoes. I like
Wait.
I don't like carrots.
Which picture is this, Mark?
3.
Oh, listen again. Listen again.
2,
1.
Listen,
I
listen.
like potatoes. I like meat. I don't like carrots.
3,
Now, which
I like
picture is this?
I like potatoes.
Uh-huh.
I like meat. I don't like carrots.
Nice. Very good. So it's picture
1.
1 or A. Yes, very good. Now let's listen to the last one. Okay, listen, boys.
I like meat.
Oh, wait.
I don't like carrots.
Okay. Now, number 3.
3,
I like carrots. I don't like meat. I don't like beans.
Oh. Okay, now let's repeat. Look at the last picture.
I like carrot. I don't like meat. I don't like beans.
Nice work. Now, Mark, it's your turn. You say the structure. Mark,
Okay.
look at picture number 3.
I don't like meat.
Uh-huh.
I like carrots. I don't like beans.
Beans. Let's look and draw. Mark, let's start with you. Mark? Here. Please draw a happy face for I like and a sad face for I don't like. Okay? Let's look and draw. Okay, and say, I
like meat.
Okay, very nice. Can you type meat? Can you type meat?
Okay.
Uh-huh. Meat. Meat. Oh, nice. Wonderful, Mark. Very good job. Now, Octave, it's your turn. Oh, sorry. Okay, go ahead. Draw the face, draw the emoji. Okay, and let's say Octave.
I like potatoes.
Potatoes. Go ahead, type potatoes for me. Very good. Nice. But we need ES at the end. Potatoes. Okay. Okay. Very nice job. Perfect. Good, good, good. Let me move your writing here. I like potatoes. Here, here. Oh. Okay. Mark, it's your turn. Mark. Draw the face and make the sentence.
Okay.
I like
I like beans.
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 Beans. Go ahead. Type beans. Look at meat. Look at meat. We have the same, we have the same sound. Beans,
Beans.
where is the word? Yeah, that's right. Wonderful. Do this one, please, Octave. What do you say? I
like rice.
rice. Now let's type rice. I like. Please type rice. 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 Okay. Now listen. Or. Okay. I.
Okay.
R-I.
Yes.
C-E. Not A. Not A. That's A. I. Let's see. Where is it? Not E. I have to write this again. A-E-I. A-E-I. I. A-E-I. R-I. C-E. I. This is A. This is E. This is I. R-I. R-I. C. letter is this?
S.
S. We need C. A, B, C. Okay, let's correct it. Come on, Octav, you can do it. R, I. Right. R, I. C, E. That's it. Very good job. Draw the face and say the sentence. I Mark.
I like carrots.
Good. Now let's type carrot. C A
A.
R. Yeah, you just need an S at the end. S. Okay. S. Carrot. Carrot.
Carrots.
Nice. Very good job. And Octav, this is yours. Please draw a smiley or a sad face and say the sentence.
I like cake.
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 I like cake. Please type cake. Cake.
Okay.
Let's see. Cake. Very good job. Nice work. Fantastic, boys. Let's start with Octav. Look at the first picture, Octav. What's the first picture? This. You have two words. You need to circle the good one, the correct option. Avem două cuvinte aici, trebuie să încercuim cel corect, cuvântul corect. Okay, what is it?
It's a seed.
It's a seed. Very good. Nice answer, Octav. Okay. Oh, sorry. Now, let's see the next picture. Mark.
See.
See. Now, let's make a sentence. What can you see?
I can see
Look around your room. What can you see?
mouse.
I can see a mouse
Bed.
or a mouse pad. Please say that again, Mark. I can see a mouse
I can see a mouse bed.
or a mouse pad. Very good job, Mark. Octav, it's your turn.
Okay.
Okay. How many feet do you have?
I have 2 feet.
Very good. Nice. Now, Mark, this is your picture. Okay,
Yes,
what's the
please.
word?
Me.
Okay, now let's say it's
It's
nice
nice to meet
you.
you.
It's nice to meet you.
Adică pare bine să spunem.
Yeah. Mark, say it again. It's nice to meet
Is it-
you.
It's nice to meet you.
Good job. Now, Octav, please do the next one. What is it?
It's beef.
It's beef. Mhm.
I don't know.
It's beef. Do you like beef, Octav? Do you
Okay.
like beef? Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Mark, what is it?
Beef.
Make a sentence. It's
It's a beef.
a bee. Nice. Very good job. Now the next picture is yours, Octav. What is the word for this picture, Octav? Say the word.
It's deep.
It's deep. What is deep?
Monte. Or
Deep,
Guapo.
deep is adunk. Adunk. Okay? So let's say the whole, Gaura, the whole.
The hole is deep.
Deep. Very good job. The hole is deep. What's the word for the picture, Mark?
Rock.
Feels
Feels hard.
hard.
Stone.
Oh, nice. Very good job, boys.